Alright, here goes nothing, I guess. Oh my god, there's no players! There's actually no players! I can do anything I want! Oh boy, what a beautiful day to be Sammy. Bruh, he left and... Bruh, he hearted me and then left? Bruh, it's so annoying when I get hearted. I literally got like 100 heart. I didn't want it to reach that. Hey guys, look at my tricks. I'm better than anybody of you. Look, I can teleport. I can turn into a ball. I can sleep with spinning. And lastly, I can change my voice into anything. Does it look like it's funny to anybody? We're gonna catch you. Oh no.